What you are seeing here is Pyramid's magnetic motor. This is the basic unit. This is the prototype number 2. And you'll notice that the stators and the rotor are made of high-density polyethylene, one of those type of plastics. You'll notice the frame, which is quite large in this particular unit, but this has been changed. The new unit has electronic speed control. That is the speed control that you can see now at the top of the screen. And that has been changed to electronic. The unit was big and bulky because of the forces of the magnet. Going down into the rotor assembly, into the magnetic housing, you'll notice the magnet is sitting inside there, locked with the nylon pin, and also a groove in front of the magnet. That is for the new shielding that will be inserted, which we are currently waiting for. Here are the 3 rotors. You'll notice that they're offset. This allows the motor to run. If they were placed equally, the motor would not turn. The rotor now starting up. You'll see as the cams go in, the motor starts to rotate. The motor going up to speed. Obviously, the closer the stators come to the main rotor, the more powerful it becomes. The speed control would govern this by allowing the motor to remain at a constant speed, especially with the new electronic speed control. The motor would stay at a set RPM. As the alternator load came on, as current was drawn from the alternator, the stators would go in toward the rotor, and as the power came off, as you see now, the stators would come apart. We are now slowing down the motor, and it will come to rest. Currently, the speed control is being done manually. That's why you'll see the stators shaking a little bit as I turn the handle to increase or decrease speed. We're running the unit at about 3,500 RPM at this stage. I'm a little bit concerned about the nylon magnet stays. I don't know how much pressure they will actually withstand. Picking up the camera and walking around the unit to show you it's not connected to anything. This is the drive side. This was where the alternator would couple to normally. You see it seesawing back and forth. That is as it's resting on the magnetic field.